The domestication of horse was one of the significant events in the history. It revolutionized travel and warfare. Due to that, in the ancient world, the training was a highly regarded skill and carried out by specialists. This clay tablet is an example and the oldest known horse training instructions in the history. It was written around 3,400 years ago, and the instructor was a Mitanni man called Kikuli. The text was found in the Hittite capital of Hattusa in modern Turkey. The language has been described as Hittite with Hurrian words. However, the only modern people in the world who can understand the text are the Kurds, the indigenous people of Anatolia and Mesopotamia. In fact, the text is Kurdish in its older form. This is a small part of the text shown in the two languages, and the similarities are apparent. Also, most of the horse-related vocabularies in ancient texts are found in modern Kurdish language. For example, these are 2,700 years old of the few horse-related vocabularies found in the Median language and their Kurdish equivalent. Aspanjira, having smart horses. Khirib asp, fat horse. Zarri aspa, having a golden-colored horse. Parru aspa, full of horses. Asp hasta, horsebone. In addition, the key breakthrough in these findings is discovering the connection between the ancient dead languages such as the Sumerian and Hurrian with the modern Indo-European languages such as English, French, and others. The findings presented here never been suggested before. They are in fact totally new approach to understanding the ancient history and the origin of the Indo-European languages. Therefore, the implications of these findings are so significant that they can fundamentally change our understanding about ancient history. In fact, we must rewrite history, and that's what I precisely did. My name is Soran Hamarash, a writer, historian, and linguist. I dedicated many years of my life to writing a history based on archaeological, genetic, linguistic, historical, and other evidence in a book called The Lost and Untold History of the Kurds. This book shows that what is currently called ancient history is a narrative. Its foundation was mainly set by the colonial academic institutions to serve political and ideological agendas. It demonstrates that the key to understanding the ancient history is the Kurd. And without understanding their history, the origin of Western civilization and that of the Indo-European languages will remain unknown. Reading this book will forever change your views about the world.